This video will show you how to create the forms you need with the Forms editor. It enables you to design your own processes inside the system while keeping all the needed data on the customer, the order or estimate you will work with, and the appliance, vehicle, or asset you are repairing. Let's get started. All of the settings connected to Forms are done in the Settings page Forms editor. We see that in here we have 5 elements: orders and estimates, leads, clients, products, and assets. It means that for any of those elements you can modify forms. Let's see an order form example. Select Orders and Estimates, select the type, and press the button to add a new field. 3 different kinds of fields are shown here. System fields are those that cannot be changed but can be deleted from an order. Custom fields are ones that you have previously added, and now to create a new field, click on New. Choose the field type. Let's add a new field with the title, for example, Job Details. When a field is added, it can be made required, which means that your employee won't be able to add an order without filling it out. To change the order of fields, hold the element and drag the fields to the desired place. Also, you can link directories to each text field. Press the Added button. Let's choose and save the Job Details directory. Then, rather than entering the text by hand each time, your employee will be able to select the value from this already prepared list when generating an order. Directories can be added in Settings too. You may find more details on working with directories in the Help Center. When a new field is created, it is automatically added under Custom Fields. This means that you don't need to create it from scratch. If you want to add it to another form, just choose it from the list. Forms for leads, clients, products, and assets are configured in the same exact way. For instance, in the client's profile, we can add a postcode field, and now the field that we've created for clients will appear in a client profile. And in the product profile, we can add color and size. When adding a new product to our inventory, we will see fields that we've created. Please note, you can decide what fields you want to show on the main view of the order. For example, in the client's form, we have now selected only name, phone, address, and email. Those fields will be shown in an order. But we also want to see the postcode which we just added. Select Display on the client's card for the postcode field. Let's add the client to an order now. As you can see, postcode is on the list now. That's how you can choose what information to see on the main view. Additionally, you can generate and modify various kinds of types of orders, estimates, and leads in the Forms editor. For example, I have 3 types: field services, warranty, and workshop repairs. All of them have different fields. It will be helpful if you have different processes that you somehow need to divide. Now you know how to create different forms in our system.